thriller, monkey to gorilla. Who is this woman that I'm seeing in the mirror? Drink 42 and smoke cigar. Name one time where I didn't deliver. Silent figure, I was just on the end, drinking gems with my friends. I got a 3310 and a pack of them. Then got the gold, cool black, circle back again. Rockin' when nothing progressive was happening. Ooh, pain tolerance couldn't break us. Pay homage if we respect how we came up. Trying to get to the paper, hitting from Jamaica might do me a favor. True. Big simmer, dipping 10 toes in that ice cold river. Life got bigger. Rest in peace to Mac Miller. New Sims dropped to shake the whole shit up. What's next? We'll be here for months talking about prospects. Staying on my job, yes. Cutting through the jungle in an all black fitted hat low, incognito living. Introvert, but she ain't timid. My art will be timeless. I don't do limits. Be very specific when you talk on who the best is. How can I address this? Basically, the rest is almost like to me what a stain to a vest is. You ain't dropped nothing in my eyes. I'm impressed with. Please don't be offended, but I'm not in the business of pretending. I got lines if you wanna get renting, or find the agony on and get dented. Talking on Sims like she's someone you went school with. Awkward. From Dave and the cool kid, rap stars hope and the faithful story. Don't ask my opinion on shit, cause to make you feel good about yourself is exhausting. I got bangers out in the world soaring, and I got bangers in the bowl that's been touring. Yeah, true, I got tennis in the morning. Before I start swinging, that man's gonna need a warning. Red light whenever I'm recording. Red light on the forehead of the informant. See, I'm the only one on Gorilla. Sims is back here just for Rilla. No choice now but to fill us. I know the streets will love it like I brought my skiller. So simmer down, little homie, simmer. All that talk get you rubbed out quicker. I ain't got one threat to consider. Heaven and earth attached to one pillar.
If you catch me at the border, I got visas in my name. If you come around here,